Meghan is likely to celebrate her 41st birthday privately today. However, her supporters have come together to express their admiration for the Duchess of Sussex by sharing personal messages and launching a fundraiser. Twitter user @Magalidmathias1 said in a heartfelt message to the Duchess, "You told us to be kind to ourselves, to challenge ourselves, to tell people we love them and to tell it to ourselves back, that an act of service can be small or big but must be genuine. Thank you for being such a role model since I first saw you on #suits. Love you Meghan, happy birthday." Sharing on the social media platform a picture of Meghan, @Photios Frida said, "Happy birthday to this lady. A force for good. A kind, gentle, clever, compassionate human. She makes me think strive to be a better person. Our beautiful Duchess of Sussex, Princess Meghan." Similarly, @LuciaPrincess8 said, "Happy birthday to the incredible, beautiful, intelligent, caring, Duchess of Sussex. We love you Meghan." Freepeople wrote, "Happy birthday, Meghan. May this be the beginning of a great year for you." Twitter account @Meghanpedia, which provides updates on the Duchess, wrote on the platform, "Happy birthday to Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, who is the essence of beauty, grace and more importantly, continues to inspire by staying true to her values and not being afraid to use her voice." In a second tweet, they added details to the fundraiser, which aims at raising money for Prince Harry's beloved charity Centebale. The message explained this fundraising effort will encompass both the birthdays of the Duke and Duchess, running until Harry turns 38 next month. It read, "In honor of Duchess Meghan's birthday, Prince Harry's birthday next month, @Sussex Event has organized a fundraiser in aid of #Centebale, a charity co-founded by #Prince Harry Prince CISO, to help young people affected by HIV #Happy Birthday Meghan." Launched only a few hours ago, the campaign has already collected more than £1,200. Fans of the Duke and Duchess have been particularly efficient over the past year in raising money for causes championed by Meghan and Harry.